All right, everybody. This will be hopefully a relatively quick review over how to handle assumption questions. Again, these are LSAT questions. They're slightly different than the MCAT cars, but they're similar enough in how we're supposed to think about things that it's useful practice. Think about it sort of this way. Like these are the master class questions. If you can handle these, whatever the MCAT throws on you, you're golden. Okay, so just as a quick review, remember when we are trying to find what is an assumption, that involves we have some sort of conclusion, but the evidence doesn't exactly match up. So, stage number one is always figuring out what the conclusion is. Okay, so I'm going to just dot that like so, and look out for if you've got conclusion keywords. And it looks like in this case that we do. It therefore follows. That indicates conclusion. Let's see what we got. It therefore follows that what is considered obscene or not obscene has changed over time. So think about what key terms we have. I'm linking together the idea of something being obscene and changing over time. So let me just put that down. Let's say obscene is linked in some way with change. Okay, those are my two keywords, and I know that if I have an assumption question, my evidence is going to miss one of these or something, and I have to chain it up. So let's figure out what our evidence is. Some works of art that today are recognized as masterpieces were considered obscene when first created. Okay, so let me put this down. We've got masterpieces are chained with obscene. Okay, so now, very mechanically, think about what are the things that we have in common. We have something with obscene in both the conclusion and in the evidence. The things that do not match are masterpieces and something about change. And we are pretty much literally done. I need to find something that connects together masterpieces and change. And let's just look at this for a second. Okay, look at our possible answer choices. Displays of works of art that are considered obscene change the way in which. Okay, so nothing about, don't overthink this, nothing about masterpieces. It's out. B, the number of things that are, nothing about masterpieces. Out. Public opinion, artistic value, nothing about masterpieces. Just out. Like literally, it is this straightforward. Okay, look at this one. D, not all current masterpieces that were once considered obscene are still considered obscene. So we have masterpieces. It might not be immediately obvious that we're talking about change in time, but we at least do have that thing. So I'm going to put a pin in that for a minute. All currently recognized, okay, we have masterpieces. That's something that we need. Have at one time been considered obscene. It has something to do with change in time. But, okay, so hold on a second. I'm going to flag this. Do you need our possibilities? Because these are the only two that actually dealt with that particular term. But hopefully you can flag E as all currently. Where did we get that? Pause the video, take a look at this. Far too extreme. E is out. D is our answer. It literally is that straightforward. Okay, so I would like you to try the extra practice problems that I've sent out to you and just, see if you get stuck on something, and I'll jump in. But there it is.